Good morning, all. MJ here of Mike and MJ's RV Adventures. First of all, I'd like to apologize for the video that I put up the other day. I lost a few subscribers over it, but that's all right. I took it down. I don't want to offend anyone. But on to better news, we have a new camp. We moved. We had to move because of phone service. We had practically none. And we found a spot with 4 bars in the same La Posa South. So we're pretty happy. I'll do a walk around and show you how nice our camp is. All right? Stay tuned. We put the clam back up. The wind really had its way with it when we had the 60-mile-an-hour winds. So it's a little fragile right now, but we have to do some mending on it, and should be as good as new then. Put our flag up, as you can see. Getting ready to build a new fire ring. Have a beautiful view of the mountains. And there's our little toy hauler. Mike's doing something. I'm not exactly sure what he's doing. Some type of project, I'm sure. He's not happy unless he's doing a project. We have a few neighbors, not many. We're kind of in a cul-de-sac, which is nice. I miss our old neighbors, though. I have to say, I miss Lenny and Becky, and I miss Pepper, and of course Larry. And we're pretty much on our own here, as you can see. We have a few neighbors, but we have beautiful views. All right, well, I just wanted to show you our new camp. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.